Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how to use pet authentication in Git. So, uh, why will we use the pet authentication? This is because after 13th of August 2021, GitHub is no longer the accepting account password for authenticating Git repository Git operations. For that, you will have to use the personal access token for that. So now I'm going to describe how to use that token. So for that you need to set up Git in your local computer. For that, first step, you have to create a folder where you want to this Git access. So for my, I have created one folder Git on the desktop, and in that I have taken cloning that particular folder. And after making clone, I have I created one file which is test file. Let me show you. You can see that file. So I have committed this file. So let me check the Git status. Here you can see your branch is ahead origin main by one commit. Okay, so I have already committed that test file. So you can see file 1 is there. So I have to push this file to that my Git repo. So for now you can see there is no file there. Here if I click on my repository, so you will see there is no file showing now. If I go to the test, no, there is no file, there is no test file which I was saying file 1.txt. okay, so that file I wanted to push here. So for that, if I use the git push command, here I have to give the username, which is my git username. Okay, now it is asking for the password. So GitHub already stopped using the password. For this you will have to use the PAT for that. So let's see. So for that you will have to log in your Git account. So I'm logged into my Git account, GitHub account. So here you need to go to the settings. In setting, the bottom of the window, left hand side, you will see the option developer settings. In this developer setting, you have three options: GitHub apps, auth apps, and the personal access token. So you need to click on the PAT tokens. So here you can do one thing, generate a new token, revoke all access if you are already configured and you don't require that. Okay, so now I am going to generate a new token. So here it is asking for the node. So let me give, this is my test repo, and it is asking for the expiration that particular token. So here you can choose the number of days, and you can choose the custom and no experience as well. So I'm going to going with the default setting with 30, and these are the scopes. Okay, so these you have to select which access you need. So for now I'm going to choose each and every one, because I'll make few other sources by using this user. So I'm going to assign all these access to this particular users, so particular token. So let me select it and generate it. So the name I have already taken, so I just rename it. Here you can see my PAT token has been generated. Let me copy it. So make sure that you have copied this token carefully and store this token in safe place, because it will not be, you will not found that token anywhere else. So this is my action token. Okay, so I'm going to use this token to post my check use that command. So here let me paste it and enter. So now you can see I have pushed my file git. You can see writing object is 100, 3 out of 3, 305 bytes transferred. So that file I should have in my portal. So let me check. If I go back and if I choose the repository and if I go to the tests, here we go. You can see that file has been, the push. So this is my comment, and you can see the data into this is test file 1. So now you saw that how to generate the GitHub PAT token to allow your local comment on the Git repo. Thank you very much.